this has been a literal nightmare. Like I said yesterday, I uploaded the video and realised that I recorded the whole footage without my microphone plugged in. Then I recorded it again and the screen resolution was wrong. So time I uploaded it to YouTube, it had about 1 pixel and looked like a potato. So that wasn't great. So I've had to redo the whole spreadsheets all over again. I've had to contact my friend who helps me actually do the spreadsheets. And he's an absolute whiz at it. And I obviously really appreciate his help. I've just got off the phone with him. So we've been hammering at this now for at least a good hour. But yes, we had an issue about when you actually copied or downloaded the spreadsheet, it wasn't copying the formulas with it. So that was a massive ball ache in both balls this time. Balls ache. But yeah, I've hopefully got it down to a T now, so this should be good. So going forward, I'll explain what it is. So this is a profit sheet that I use for my business. I've been using it for the last 15 months. I'm not going to say that, this is a disclaimer basically. I don't want to say that this is 100% accurate, but this is what I've been using. It's gone through HMRC, it's gone through my accountant, and my tax is paid, so couldn't really care less. So this is what I use. So pretty self-explanatory. You've got your purchase date and all the information up here. Don't know why this one's here though. FBA. And what you can do here is you can literally duplicate it. And you can call this Jan, Feb, March, etc, etc, etc. And yeah, never delete this row. Don't even touch it. Don't even look at it. Okay, that's like the basis line. So any formula I do use in the spreadsheet is like pretty much fixated onto that spread line there. So sorry, this is so this is the spreadsheet. What we do from here is what I do once a month. I probably spend an hour doing it. I'll go into my reports, payments, and let's find a transaction view. Go into transaction view. Find your current month that you're on. I'm just backdating for example, and I'll take these 3 here, and all I'll do is I'll paste it under the sold date, and it will give me all the relevant information up to here. These are still hyperlinks, so you can click on these and it will open up the transaction order with the customer's details and all the fees you paid with the sale as well. And you've got a nice cushy column here that gives you an ROI on your profit as a percentage, and then the bottom one will calculate it as an average over your entire month, which is I love looking back at the last 3 months or every quarter and just being like, great, I made 30% ROI, 50% ROI, 60, 70, whatever. So what I do here, so the main way this works is you have your cost of purchases, the COP column, and I have another spreadsheet that I log all my data from whenever I'm uploading products onto Amazon Seller Central. So I'll have a piece of paper, I'll write in the name, barcode, where I got it from, quantity, and the cost per unit, and I'll input that information on here. And what I'll do is I'll go into inventory, add a product, and I would normally hand type this. And the product will come up. All I'll do then is copy that, put that there, copy the barcode, put that there, URL from this one here, put that there, where I got it from, the store name, quantity, unit cost, total cost, and the buy box price at the time. And that's something you should always refer back to. If you've got a repricer, I'm doing a video soon for a repricer that I use, and I always refer back to that just so I know what the buy box price was at the time, and that's my profit. And obviously you can change it depending on if it's gone up or down. But yeah, so essentially that's what you do. You copy and paste the data there. So when you are doing your profit sheet, I know these ones don't link up to these items here, but for example, say if I paid £5 for that, it would give me the profit. I paid encyclopedia, I paid 50p for that, Lunch with Financial Times. Oh, I remember that. I actually paid £1 for that from a charity shop. No, not a charity shop, sorry. I can't remember. Book wholesaler. I haven't done charity shops for years. Years? Months. What am I on about? Sorry, it's been an absolute nightmare trying to get this done, so I'm not thinking quite straight. But Leapfrog Melody, let's just say that was a £5. And what we'll do is it'll go, right, this is how much Amazon gave me back. This is how much it cost. That was my profit. That was my ROI as a percentage. And then it'll give me the average here as an ROI. Okay, I'll delete that one there. But that'll give me my average ROI. That'll give me my total profit. And then all the totals for costs and your totals for your product charges, which you can then add another column to calculate VAT and things like that. This is a very basic sheet that is specifically for tax and working out your profits accurately. I've got a friend, my friend Tom, Thomas, who knows Excel and Google Sheets, that sort of thing, down to a T. So I'm going to get him in over the next few weeks, and he's going to basically explain a really in-depth spreadsheet, and that will only be for Excel, I'm afraid. And basically what that does is it'll just explain and break down how much VAT you've got to pay on sales. You can attach your own invoices. We can do what category the item was brought in, then do like an average area of your sales. So you're on 20% in toys, 15% in beauty, 10% in pets, that sort of thing. So yeah, that's will hopefully be coming over the next few weeks as well, along with the lead service and some other bits in between. But yeah, that's it. It's really not too complicated. It's a pretty basic sheet. It looks complicated, but it's really not. There's some tips here on what you should and shouldn't do. Any questions, just give me a shout in the Facebook group. I'll be more than happy to help, or someone else will that knows this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just to let you know as well, this file is going to be only for Google Drive, unfortunately. We tried to export it in Excel. It worked, but we didn't fully check it. We didn't fully test it to see if it was fully compatible. So if you do use it for in Excel, then use at your own risk. There might be some technicalities that I couldn't figure out, or couldn't figure out either. So, but yeah, it works 100% in the Google Drive. So download it and go do your thing. And that's it, guys. Okay, hope this helped. If it did, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment any questions, and join us in the Facebook group. We've got some bits coming up very soon with reprices and business strategies. So yeah, give us a shout. Take care, guys. Bye.